In this step, I'll go ahead and install the wheels. As you can see here, the axle has a flat side, and this hole also has one flat side. So I have to place the wheel and rotate it until the flat sides match, and then press the wheel in place. Repeat the same procedure on this side. Rotate the wheel around until the flat sides align, and then gently press the wheel in place. This starts to look more and more like a real robot. Now I'll go ahead and install this little plate right here on top of the battery holder. I'm afraid later I may need to remove it to place battery again here, but for now I'll just go ahead and install it. Before doing that, I have to peel off the protective layer, find a loose corner, and peel it off. Well, we have peeled off most of it, but we still have some small pieces here with the logo and the sign. I'll go ahead, peel them off. Not as easy as it would have been if it was all one single piece, but we're not going to complain. Gently use the screwdriver to peel off the small pieces of paper without causing any scratches. This side is done, and now repeat the same on the other side, which should be easier since we don't have any logo and sign engraving. This one comes off a single piece, nice and easy. And now I'm going to mount it here like that on top of the battery holder. For this I'll need two of the bolts. Not sure, but we may have a spare, we'll see if it is needed for somewhere else. And now place the little plate here, insert ball and tighten, insert the second bolt and tighten, and now I can go ahead and tighten everything in place on both sides, since everything is fully adjusted. This step is completed and we have cover for our battery holder.